Hey guys, this is Biplab and welcome back to my channel, The Article 24. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a shortcut to access control panel. So, without further ado, let's get started. At first, to create a shortcut for control panel, you have to right click on your desktop. So, I am going to right click on my desktop here, and from those options, you have to go new, then shortcut. In this field, as you can see, right here, control.exe and go for next. As you can see, in this field, you have to put a name for the shortcut as you want. So I am going with control panel and click on finish. As simple as that. So as you can see, there is a shortcut for control panel has been created. And now, if you want to access control panel, just simply double click on the shortcut and you will appear into the control panel options. So here is those options, you can access any of them. So hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. I will catch you on my next video. Till then, stay cool, stay safe.